almost touched it again. Oh yeah, that's nice and crisp. Crispy like bacon. You want to do it?
I thought you were gonna do it.
Oh.
Take it over, Miss B&B.
We are on our way to the gas station. Are you making fun of me? Don't mock me. So we can get something to eat, and then we're going out to X Factor Paintball Park for Justin's birthday. Stop mocking me, you asshole.
I'm so good at it though.
I have a special surprise for Justin that he doesn't know about.
You don't?
Oh! Yeah, I do. Guess who else is in on the surprise? Bradford.
Oh no. Yeah guys, like she said, we're on our way out to X Factor Paintball Park. Today is my birthday. Meeting up with Mama Bird and Papa Bird, as well as Bradford, Sam. Oh no, I said Bradford!
Oh yeah, that's it. It's Bradford.
Going up to meet up with Bradley and Sam, as well as a few people from my paintball team. But first, it's kolache time. So a little bit of change of plans. No one showed up to paintball, so we decided we're gonna go bowling instead.
Ah, fuck it, dude. Let's go bowling.
What burger? Chicken? What chicken? Yeah! What a burger's life.
You want ketchup?
Both.
Regular ketchup? Or regular, one spicy? I'm gonna break that off in your ass if you don't stop. Stop it. I will.
You'll what? Because
I'll return it. Did you see where it landed?
No.
It's in my door forever.
Ow!
Stop it! Sorry. Spit it out. Spit it out. Spit it out.
Trying to relax, bruh.
Yes. Me too. Shut up. So the noise you hear is the machine right there cutting the decals, because even though today is my birthday, as a business owner you never get a day off. That's what we're doing before we get to go to sleep tonight, is finishing up all of the awesome orders that were placed all over the weekend. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's bonus video. Go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. I'm so dizzy. I heard spinning the opposite way is supposed to get you back on track quicker. Nope, that's not helping. I'll cut that one out.